This time we'll discuss aligning methods and precise objects placing. And, traditionally, the simplest known method is simple writing down coordinates values. For example, I've got X position here. I can simply double-click to select it all. Copy it with Ctrl+C. Then select another object. Double-click X value again to select it all. But you may notice that there is minus here. We need a positive value, so we remove everything. And now we click Ctrl+V to paste previously copied value. And after hitting Enter, X position of our objects is aligned. We did it quite fast, right? But if we'd like to do that with all values, it would take us a lot of time. It's better to use faster methods. So I'll undo this and let's try to do it different way. Now, with the object selected, I will use Ctrl+A shortcut. It's shortcut for aligning. You may notice that the cursor has changed. And when I point at the second object, a plus appears next to it. This means that this object can be used. Now I'll click left mouse button. And we've got this window with all aligning options. We can align our object as we want, including rotation. Here's minimum. You can see here how it works. Center, pivot, and maximum. Let's get back to pivot. Click OK. And it's aligned already, so we can use different ways to align objects. To make it more interesting, I'll add pyramid here. You can see that here is a small arrow. It's barely visible, but it's there. It means that this button can be rolled out. And here are more functions. Here is the option of such an accelerated alignment. It's the same as above, just without messing with options. What interests us is here. This is alignment with selected faces. It's about selected faces of the model. It's polygons. Now I'll choose this tool and present how it works. It's easy to understand when you see it in action. As you can see, cursor has changed. Now we have to choose object's polygon. I will choose a bottom here. As you can see, a blue arrow appeared to me. I don't know if it's visible because it's hardly visible. Now select the polygon to which our chosen bottom should adhere. So I click here. And now you can see the bottom of our pyramid is adjacent to this polygon. Using these settings, we can also move it to precisely set the position. Rotate. Or flip it. It's very useful tool. But we've got some more tools here. Here, at the bottom, we have Align to View tool. Let's click it. As you can see, our object aligns to our actual view. Maybe box will be better as an example. You can clearly see box face aligning to our view. Another tools aligns objects to camera and to light source. But these are rather rarely used. They're simply special tools to align objects to camera or light source direction. If we use some tool at the moment and our cursor is changed, and we want to cancel it, then fastest way is to simple right-click. OK. That's all about aligning. Thank you for using this tutorial and see you in next one, where we'll discuss mirroring.